Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you the things which were very much helpful in this lockdown and which really helped me to survive in this lockdown. So guys, let's get started with the video. I will show you the things and which really helped me to survive in this lockdown. Let's get started with the video. The first thing I would talk about is kitchen appliances that really helped me in this lockdown. So the first thing is mop. I will show you a video of that, and that mop really helped me in this lockdown, and that is very easy and convenient to use. All the links I will share in the description box below, so you can go and buy that products, and this mop would really help you and your moms. So you can gift your mom this mop, and that would be a very nice gift for your mom. So this mop, I am showing you the video, you can see the mop. Okay guys, the second thing what I was talking about is this chopper. I just love this chopper, and this really helped me in this lockdown. I will show you. You can see it has this inside this. You have to put your vegetables inside this and just pull it. It's really fun to do this, and it's a very good product. I will give you the link in the description, and you can also buy it. It's a very good product and it really helped me in this lockdown. I will show you a video how you can do this. After that, the third thing what I am talking about is this steam pipe. This also really helped me in this lockdown because we have to take steam every day, like I am doing that. So what this pipe is about, you have to take your cooker and you have to just remove the whistle about that, and you have to just attach it, and from here you will get the steam. And this pipe really helped me in this lockdown. This my mom has made it, specially customized it. If you want, I will insert a picture about it so that you can also do it. You can just make it, and this really helps it, and the steam is also very good in this, so this will really help you. Okay guys, the fourth thing which really helped me in this lockdown is this yeast. I have made bread, paos and everything out of this yeast, and pizzas. This yeast really helped me. You can see, you can buy any yeast whatever you want. I will leave the link below. This yeast really helped you, will really help you to make bread, paos or pizzas or anything whatever you like. This was really helpful for me in this lockdown. Okay guys, the next thing which I will talk about is beauty. In the beauty products, I will tell you the first really helped me product was the weed trimmer. I will give you a photo about that. The trimmer really helped me. With the help of the trimmer, I have done my eyebrows, upper lips and everything. That weed trimmer was very helpful for me. The second thing which helped me was weed strips. Weed strip was really a savior for me in this lockdown. The strips, I have done a video on that also. You can go and check it out. The weed strip really helped me for doing my waxing and everything. And for upper lips also I've used that. So the weed strips and the weed trimmer, this both were very helpful for me in this lockdown. The third thing which was really helpful for me in the beauty section was this bleach. So this bleach also really helped me. You can just bleach your face and you're ready to go out also. Nowadays we are not going out, but this is also a very good option, and this really helped me. Okay, the beauty section is done guys. Now I will talk about the Amazon series which I have seen and I enjoyed it a lot. The Amazon series which I have watched in this lockdown was FOMO Shots. The first series which I have completed almost. The new series also I have done it. The second which I have watched was Breathe. Breathe is also very nice series in Amazon. You can go and watch it out. The third series which I was talking about is The Family Man. That is also a very nice series on Amazon. The fourth series which I am talking about is Made in Heaven. That was also very good series on Amazon, and many more, but I am just giving you 2-3 names so that you can go and watch it out. And the next thing I will go it on, that is Netflix. Netflix also has many shows and many series and many upcoming movies also coming on that. So the series I saw and almost I have finished it, that is Money Heist. I just love that series, and you can go and watch it out. There are I think 4 seasons and it's an awesome series. Go and watch it out, you will just love it. The second I saw was the Stranger Things. That is also a very nice series. You can go and check it out. You will just enjoy it. I am just giving 2-3 names. If you want a full list of that, please comment below. I will just do a video on that. So okay guys, these were the things that really helped me in this lockdown, and these things really helped me to survive in this lockdown. I really love all these things, so I thought I will just share with you all these things, and you can share this video with your mom so that she can also buy the products and get the benefits of the product, like the mop, the chopper. This all are very useful things. The steamer thing which I have shown, that will really help your mom and you also. The beauty products which I have shown you. There are many face oils and which I have using in this lockdown, but I have already done a video on that. You can go and check it out. That is really helping me in this lockdown. The face mask, the packs which I have done, the IKEA beauty face mask, that really helped me. The facials, that this all were really helpful in this lockdown and really helped me in this lockdown. I hope guys this video and this information was useful to you. Please like my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, stay healthy and share my videos guys. Bye.